This begins lesson 6, the storefront. So I'm looking at the walls in switch style to X-ray mode. So that the openings that we created for the storefront are not quite wide enough according to this plan. So in accordance to try to match up with the plan, which was drawn by an idiot, I'm going to enlarge our openings and imagine that this drawing is correct. So let's save. And rename this storefront work. So what I'm going to do is basically move those edges to align with what appears to be the storefront opening. So we're going to double click the wall group. Now we need to see, yeah, we can see it there. I'm going to push this in that direction. We're limited to how far we can push it, so I'm going to push it to about that extreme point, more on this side. It's not an exact science anyway. There we go. That's about right. And that face. It was convenient to have picked up some of that texture in this drawing inadvertently. And that looks to be about the extent. Maybe that face can move a little bit. No, it looks like it. Maybe about an inch. That might do it. Let's measure what we have now. So from here to there, 12.4, and from here to there is about 10 feet. That's good. Let's close this group. And now we can begin drawing I guess we can push that opening a bit more. Can we? Because let's just ignore that. So I'm going to go back to my scene where I was drawing the storefront. And let's start drawing. looks like we have thickness. So this current wall about 5 or 6 inches. I'm going to 6 inches. So draw some lines. Oh, let's see where the walls are. Where the wall I'm going to have to mark points see if this helps us. I don't want to extend. Yeah, well, that's drawing parallel to the face of the opening. So I think I'm drawing on the face. There's the wall opening, face in group. Okay. Double click and offset that 6 inches to the inside. One, two, three. I need more than one line of offset, so we have to select the other. Alright, not sure if it's not working. Maybe that, oh yeah, because I'm drawing up in the air. Yeah, that's the dangers of drawing in 3D. Let's make some marks. Let's go back to this storefront work, drawing storefront. And we'll just draw on the surface and adjust for the openings afterwards. Offset. We'll complete. So there's the outline of the storefront A, if you will. And now let's draw the second one. The glass isn't 6 inches thick. It's the mullions, but we have to start somewhere. Okay. Triple click, select those lines, offset 6 inches. And let's complete that shape by joining the endpoints. So there's the outline of our storefront. If I turn off the underlay image on the ground floor, you can see what it is that we're extruding and then later going to develop as a storefront. Now, if I turn on the walls of floor 1, you can see the height to which they're going to be extruding. I think we've decided that that would be 10 feet, 2-foot sill plus 8 feet for the window. So let's 10 feet, triple click, make that a group. $10 feet. Triple click and make that a group. And if you want, we can provisionally paint those clear with some kind of glass material. It will help us visualize a bit. So let's do that there, close that group, and do the same with the other. Turn back on the floor slab. All right. So this is essentially the condition. The building, we need a ceiling over those areas, right? And we need a floor above as well. I don't know what they're asking you to imagine, but that is essentially the storefront condition we're modeling. Again, the glass isn't this thick. And there are several ways to deal with that. It depends on how detailed you want to your model to be, whether you want doors in here or not. Okay, this is lesson 6.